Take a deep breath. Let tension drop away.
God, it's good to see you. The Fantastic Five, back together again. This is a vacation, remember? Sorry, it is my actual wedding. Where are we going then? This is supposed to be an adventure. How do you even know about this place? Who did you shy? This is perfect. Ruth? This is Sean. There's no signal. Slow down. Stop the boat! Are we gonna sink?
I can't swim. I just need to hold on.
We can do this, right?
Take a deep breath.
Phone's dead.
I'm so sorry this is happening.
Draw awareness to the ground underneath your feet.
Someone needs to swim for help.
I don't know if I can do this much longer.
Notice any anxiety. Exhale and allow it to release.
Hungry, are you? Come on then, you bastard.
Deep breath. Deep breath. Deep breath. Repeat to yourself, I am safe.